Well, here's a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT Convertible. This is a beautiful car, and it's priced to sell. In fact, if you'd like to know the pricing and see more detailed photos, please click the link right down below this video, and it'll take you to all that information. This is a beautiful car, and it's red. Torch red, in fact, on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and ebony convertible top. It looks great. And under the hood, you'll find a 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,205 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats, universal garage door transmitter, has the Bluetooth package, wonderful Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with steering wheel controls and front input. It also includes the Grand Sport package, revised shock, stabilizer bar, spring specifications, Z06 sized wheels, tires and brakes, wider fender and quarter panels, and Z06 style spoiler and front splitter. Has the Z06 style front bumper, performance axle ratio. This car has the power top, which is really nice to have. And it has that dual mode exhaust, chrome wheels, OnStar compass, auto dimming mirrors, HID headlights, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down, has power windows. Well, everything on this car is power. It comes with cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax and it's loaded with options. And this 2010 Grand Sport Convertible shows 74,593 miles. It's in nice condition and it is priced to sell. The car's paint is in very good condition, has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good condition as well, and the factory chrome wheels are very good. The interior, well, you can see the interior, and it shows very good factory leather seats and steering wheel, very good center console and door panels. Now, additions to this car include an acrylic windscreen with Corvette script and mild to wild remote fob for the factory dual mode exhaust. This car features a corrosion-free subframe, so give us a call today, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, 770-414. So give us a call today, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. This could be in your driveway sooner than you can imagine. Hope to hear from you really soon, buyavette.net.